Welcome to the Mentor Network at CU Boulder, powered by Startup Space. Now, since you have successfully logged in, we'd like to encourage you to explore and edit your profile. To edit your profile, please scroll down to Ask Ev and click Set Up or Edit My Profile. We have populated your profile with all of the information that CU Boulder currently had, but please make sure to make any edits or fill in any additional fields. To change your photo, click Change Photo and upload a photo. You can edit or change any of the current fields. You can hide or show your email or phone number. Fill out the About Me and enter any relevant information on your current role or expertise. You can select any languages that you speak or select Active Community Member, indicating that other members may connect with you through Startup Space. Please fill out any areas that are empty. Please select any interests. This area of interest will power your homepage and ensure that you can connect with the type of resources you might be interested in. Your persona has already been selected as mentor. This is so that you can be filtered appropriately by other mentees that might be looking for you. Please feel free to add to or change your areas of expertise. You can also select any areas that you would be interested in startup in helping in the community if they are not currently listed in the expertise. You can also select a secondary and a tertiary persona, which will help power your homepage. Once you are finished, please click Update Profile and return to the homepage. You can select your name to see the way your profile will look to others, who is following you, or any other details needed. Go back to the homepage and please feel free to explore.